Hi everyone, this is Hina Baig and I'm a solution therapist. I hope you all enjoyed our last season 4, The Myth Breakers. It was indeed an insightful journey where we learned from each guest who were differently abled and how they coped, their willpower, their abilities to do amazing work. It's indeed worth listening. If you have missed out on any of the episodes, I would request you to please go and listen now or as soon as possible. So, this season 5, is all about podcasting, hence the Pod Writer. It's dedicated to all the colleagues of mine known as podcasters, and I would like you all to benefit from each episode because they will be sharing their tips, their tricks, their journey. So you may learn from their experience and it will be interesting for you to know how they have started. The podcasters' hard work, dedication, efforts, and all that goes in the process of giving it a final shape is very useful to listen. Indeed, podcasting is most rewarding one if all the efforts and passion is put in the right place. This season, we will have guests who will be sharing their podcasting journey, as I had just said, their tough moments in life and how they coped. Along with this and other insights from them, they will also be sharing lighter moments from their experience. Their tips for people in general and also for the podcasters will be very valuable. Some podcasters are solely into podcasting, making it their mainstream career, while others are doing it along with their job. Therefore, they are juggling with their professional careers. This is their passion, and with a mission to reach out and meet their respective podcast agenda or why they even started. The end result or product always seems to be easy, flawless, and effortless. But if we dive in further, we will find that there's more than what meets the eye. In layman language, if I have to explain what a podcast is to others, I would just simply say it's nothing else but a digital radio of this era. Every podcaster has their own style, format, and theme. In this episode and the coming episodes, you will see that every podcaster indeed is unique in their own ways. We will learn the tips or some tricks from them, which will be shared by them as we listen in each episode. So don't miss out on any episode. If you plan to be a podcaster, I repeat, do not miss. And in case if you would like to be a part of this season in any of the episodes as a guest, then do contact me. Send me an email on hinabaigtherapist@gmail.com, and or along with that you can also WhatsApp me on my number. It's +91 98197 55078. I repeat, it's +91 98197 55078. So happy podcasting, and just sit back, relax, and listen to the upcoming episode every Wednesday, 3 p.m. Stay tuned. Till then, take care, be safe, and be happy. Bye.